Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I am gonna show you how you can change your MAC address in your Linux system. Let's just see what is MAC address. So MAC address are unique 48-bit hardware number of a computer that are embedded into a network card during manufacturing. So the MAC address is the physical address of a network card. So let's see what is our MAC address. For that, in terminal you have to type ifconfig. Here is my MAC address. So this is the physical address of my network card, which is I am using. My network card name is ENP2S0. For changing my MAC address, I need a tool named macchanger. For installing macchanger, you have to type sudo apt install macchanger. You have to put your sudo password. This will start installing macchanger into your system. Now the installation has been complete. So let's see what macchanger can do. Macchanger -h. So here is the list which you can see how you can use macchanger. For showing your Mac, you have to type macchanger -s, macchanger -s, then the card name, which is ENP2S0. Here is my MAC address. Let's set into a random MAC address. For that, you need sudo permission. Type sudo macchanger -r. This will set a random MAC address in your network card, and then your card number ENP2S0. This may be different in your case. You have to check by typing ifconfig. Sorry, there is a spelling mistake in macchanger. So if you hit enter, now you can see you have a new MAC address assigned. My permanent MAC address is this, and this is my new MAC address. So now if I type macchanger -s, so this will show my current MAC address. You can also set a MAC address manually. So let's see how you can set that. You need sudo permission for that. So let's log in into root. After that we can change our MAC address by macchanger -m. Then you can type any MAC address like P20999I0P P2 and 2E. Let's set this as our MAC address is ENP2S0. So if you hit enter, this will set your MAC address into any MAC you type. You just need to follow this format. Okay. Now if you get back to your permanent MAC address, just type macchanger -p, then ENP2S0. Now you are in your permanent MAC address. I did not type sudo because I am already logged in with my root account. Thank you for watching. This is a new channel, so please do like and subscribe. This will motivate me to make more videos like this.